National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central McHenry County in northeast Illinois until 10 o'clock a.m. At 9:35 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail. These storms were located along a line extending from Woodstock to Huntley and moving east at 5 miles per hour. Around 9:30 a.m., 1-inch diameter hail was reported near Woodstock with these storms. Locations impacted include McHenry, Bull Valley, Huntley, Lakewood, and Crystal Lake. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, large hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KX 41 Crystal Lake.